Well, thanks to Pocket Woman and concurring opinion by Deadlocks, the Sargent lock is much better now. I still gonna win something here? Yes, you are, Polar Bear. And I've picked it a couple times this afternoon since I repaired it. It didn't freak me out at first, but yeah, as time went on, I was kind of a little bit freaked out, but I should have known it was a simple solution. So, here's the bidding on the key, and this is what Polar Bear wants to win. I like seafood. Yes, Polar Bear, you see food and you want the food. What? Yeah! Okay, Polar Bear. So, let's give this a shot here. Hope this thing doesn't get camera shy on me, but Good luck, Affinity. I really appreciate you pinning this up just for me. I think I dropped something there. Okay. I have noticed, of course, I've only picked a grand two of them, that the your door locks, I guess these are from Deadbolts, have a distinctly different feel from padlocks, which guess should have been obvious. But it's just not something nobody's ever mentioned. But the lease where I'm living is up at the 1st of April, and we're supposed to let our landlord know if we're moving out 2 months in advance. And I had decided a long time ago that, yeah, I don't like having a roommate. You know, the lady I'm living with is nice enough. But, you know, except for living with Mom for 10 months and 10 months so far here, you know, I spent basically the last 30 years living alone, and I kind of prefer it that way. And I think I may try to, right now I'm living on the east side of Indianapolis, and but I lived for 11 years in Plainfield, and yeah, the rest of the time on the west side of, about another 10 years on the west side of Indianapolis, so I've been living here on the east side since the fire, and I think it was 3.5. Hey, yes, got it. That was 3.5 years ago. So, okay, Lock Affinity, thank you. Oh, I'm sorry, Polar Bear. You want to open it with the key, don't you? In the Polish? Actually, not. Oh, I meant Catholic? Yeah, much better. Okay. So, we're going to have to set the tripod back down so you can win your shrimp. Okay. Yum, 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 yum.